Suppose you're driving home after a long day at work. Traffic is moving smoothly, and you're listening to your favorite song. A motorcycle diverges into your lane and hits your car. Biker gets up and immediately starts blaming you for the accident, claims you changed lanes without signaling. You know that's not true. Problem is, how do you prove it? Exact situation happens to thousands of drivers every single day. Proper evidence, insurance companies often split the blame. Means higher premiums for you, even when you did nothing wrong. When most people think, I really need a dash cam. But here's where the confusion: go online and see hundreds of different dash cameras. Cost $50, others cost $500. One should you choose? Features actually matter? Which ones are just marketing tricks to make you spend more money? I'm going to answer all these questions. At the end of this video, you'll know exactly which dash cam to buy for your specific needs. More importantly, you'll know how to avoid the common mistakes that waste your money. Here are some important features to look. 2 different dash cam we are going to review today. The first one is 70mm dash cam 4K A810 with Sony Starvis 2, IMX678, 4G LTE, and dual HDR supported. Key features of this one are ultra-sharp 4K front recording, records at 3840x2160 resolution, 4K UHD with the Sony Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor, capturing rich color and details across lighting conditions, day or night. 150 degrees front FOV, f1.8 aperture, and HDR night owl. Vision deliver excellent clarity in contrast-heavy scenes and low-light conditions. Dual-channel HDR setup. Rear camera records at 1080p with HDR support, adding coverage behind the vehicle and improving visibility in shadows or bright backgrounds. Connectivity and smart features. Built-in GPS, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth, enabling in-app live view, settings control, and location speed logging. The other dash cam is Kubo True 4K HDR key features, dual-channel recording, front camera records in 4K UHD, 3840x2160, with a Sony IMX4 8mm sensor and a wide 140-degree FOV. Rear camera captures 1080p 1K video with a 126 DPI mirrored by default. Image quality and night performance. Performs well in daylight, showing legible license plates within 3 meters. Low light performance is decent thanks to WDR and 3D DNR, though highlights may overexpose in harsh light. Power, storage, and hardware. Powered by a supercapacitor, 6V 3.5F, for better thermal reliability versus a lithium battery. Supports loop recording, emergency event locking via built-in G sensor, and storage up to 1 TB microSD, Class U3 V30 recommended. Intelligence and connectivity. Built-in GPS logs, location and speed, but only synchronizes when your phone is near the camera via its Wi-Fi hotspot. Offers ADAS alerts, lane departure, forward collision, pedestrian warnings. These work, but can be intrusive in city traffic. 2.8 IPS LCD with 4 control buttons, not touchscreen. App control allows settings, preview, and download of recordings, packaging, and support. Comes with mounted cables, suction bracket, hardwire kit, and installation tools. Sold with 1-year warranty, and customer service is reportedly responsive. Drawbacks. Rear camera limitations. The rear 1080p camera delivers lower quality footage than expected. Consider all these features along with your budget to buy a good and affordable dash cam. Think Mahdi before buying.